It's actually a fantastic quality now. Actually, I'm pretty happy about what we achieved.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I should not put my fingers on it. So what happened is that last year, Lars and I and the rest of the team decided to look at what to do for the market of endurance sports enthusiasts. We could see that the market had a lot of potentials for improvements. The devices that we have out in the market now are not really fulfilling the needs of people training, and while the devices are not improving, people actually do have changed their way of training significantly. They are way more engaged.
The idea actually came out from looking at what was currently in the market. What was currently in the market had a lot of missing point, or things that we knew that we could do better with mobile technology or from the industry that we have been in for many years. And we went out to talk with some athletes, and mainly what they tell us is that, well, the devices we have today, they're okay, but they're a little big, the screen is not really at a good size, it takes a lot of time before it gets the GPS signal, and among that there are some other issues in generally using them, connecting them to your computer, sharing your data, planning your workouts, etc.
So we saw that as an opportunity of delivering something more beautiful and more holistic, and something that people could use to improve their fitness level and their performance in a fast way. When training, people don't really want to spend much time fiddling with the device itself. They want to have a tool that can help them, and then they just want to go out and do their training.
So with that in mind, we went in to design the product. First of all, we aimed at getting as big a screen as possible.
Big display means more data. It means that when you're out in the field, you don't need to toggle through different views to see what the parameters you need.
So by utilizing, again, mobile technology, we were able to put in a 2-inch screen in a device that is actually smaller than what you normally see in the market.
Another important area we focused on is the actual performance of the GPS.
People experience when they want to go training, they have to wait for several minutes before they get this GPS signal.
So we made a major effort in trying to simplify and improve the GPS connectivity. This device talks to the back end via Wi-Fi, which means that all the communication happens behind your shoulders. Another feature that we implemented in our device, which is pretty unique, is what we call the coach on your wrist. It will basically follow your training and tell you for each step you take what to do. You can choose different workouts, and then once you sync your device with your portal by pressing the 2 keys, workouts will be transferred down to the device. So when you're out running, you will be also able to follow your route. You can download the route from Endomondo. That shows as a line on the map. It allows you to see where you are and see where you're going. Another area we focused on is the ergonomics of the device. We wanted our device to be comfortable to wear, and therefore we spent quite a bit of an effort designing a very compact solution. The thickness of the device is right above 10 millimeters, and the footprint to display ratio is exceptional. We also worked a lot on the tactility of the buttons. We want to have something that can be engaged easily. So we have big protruding rubber buttons. That makes it very comfortable. The weight is very limited. And the comfort is also given by small details, as for instance the curvature on the back of the strap that allows your sweat to run away from behind.
With your help, we can bring Leikr to the US by the summer of 2013.